everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel How To. We are going to continue the fourth part of Notion flowchart. We have already uh, we have already prepared flowchart and now we are going to format this. For example, we are going to attractive colors to fill these shapes and these lines or strokes. So first of all, we need to define class. Then we can use this class in our code. So I am going to define class. We are going to use four colors, for example green, blue, orange and yellow. So I will define each class. I am going to define green color class. Okay, define. Then I will write the name of color which I am going to use, green, and then which color will fill this shape. Okay, fill, and I will write here the code of color. You can search this code by on Google, or you can uh, check it on Excel or Word or any platform where color codes are available. So I will write green color code. Okay, now comma, and then I will write color of text inside shape. I'll write here color, and again by code I am going to define this. For example, this is code of white. I am going to use white text, so white fonts, and then comma again, and I am going to define the stroke color. Stroke color is basically outlines color, line color of line. So stroke, similarly I am going to define this color. I am going to use it as dark, so it may clearly show outlines. So I am going to use this code, and finally I am going to define the width of stroke, how bold the stroke or line should be. For example, going to write here stroke width, and then for example I want it to px. You can use 4x or whatever you want, how much you want to bold it. This is my first class. Now I am going to define my remaining four classes. So I am just going to change name and codes of color codes. So the second color is blue, and here I am going to second one more thing we can use here these codes, or we can write the name of color. For example, I will not use here code, I will use just blue. It is also okay. And here I used code of white, I will write here just white. It is also okay. And then stroke color I use black. So this is my second class. Now my third color is orange, and I am going to define it. I will write here orange, and similarly I am going to use here. Okay, I will use black color here, not white, because white will be not so prominent in orange. So color is black, and stroke color is also black. Okay, same width. And my last color is yellow. Just write yellow. Make sure your spells are correct so that it may not cause any problem. Okay, here I am going to use black again, and black. Okay, now these are my classes which I already defined. Now I am going to use these classes to fill. First of all, I am going to start from start. Uh, Whenever you are going to use color, you have to write three semicolons or this this characters, and I will write here the name of color. Okay, you can see it has used all yellow color and outline is dark black, and the text inside is also black. Similarly, I will use uh, yellow here. Sorry, yellow. Okay, this, and sorry, I skip above. I will copy this, and second shape is missing, so I will write here. This is also yellow. Okay, and I am going to use here color of blue color. So I will write here blue. Just paste, just paste it here and write blue. Okay, and next color I am going to use green in these shapes. So I will write here green. Okay, so let me copy this. Hmm. And in these shapes I am going to use my last color, which is orange. So similarly, just use orange color. And second, here for this decision point, I am going to blue just as it I used in previous diamond shape. So let me copy this and just paste it here. See, now I am going to use orange color in my remaining shapes. So let me use orange color. Orange. Okay, just copy paste it and use it in your remaining shapes. Okay, you can see now my all shapes are filled with different colors which I defined here. Okay, this is done. Now I am going to also use different colors in these arrows or lines. So I'm uh, going to start from below. So uh, I will write here link style. Make sure your spells are similarly just exactly same. For example, I cannot write here small s as it will not work. You can see when it will work, it will be colored. So use exact characters, uh, whether they are capital or they are small. Sorry. Okay. Link style. First of all, I am going to color my first line, which is zero line, and what is the color of my stroke. I will write here stroke, and he's asking for color, so I can just simply write gold. So it will also use this So similarly, I copy this and paste. Here are 10 lines: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And as I am starting from 0, so I am going to copy paste this till 9, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And this is my uh, line number 1, which is basically 0. It always start from 0. So make sure you start from 0. And I will write here 1. This is, you can see as I change this and my stroke color will also change. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now my all lines are gold, so I want to use different lines. So I will use blue for sec from, okay, this is, yes, okay, blue, and then I'm going to use green because I am going to use same line as like my next shape. Again it is green, and then it is blue, and my next line is orange, and all my remaining lines are orange. So see, these are, now all my lines are properly colored. So this is all. In next tutorial I will teach you to change shape of the chart. For example, I can change this to different circular or any other shape, and how to change line style. Okay, thank you for your time.